Galgotia University claimed to showcase a robo-dog as a campus innovation. But it quickly turned into a massive embarrassment that robo-dog was actually a Chinese-made robot, is what we're learning. The university was then kicked out from the venue and finally issued an apology. They said that claims were made by the ill-informed representative and there was no intent to mislead the country. But listen in to the representative and decide for yourself what the intention actually was.
We see this.
So this is Orion. You need to meet Orion, and this has been developed by the Center of Excellence at the Galgotias University. This has been developed by the Center of Excellence at the Galgotias University. हमने ये कभी क्लेम नहीं किया कि हमने कुछ मैन्युफैक्चर किया है जो हमने नहीं किया. One second. Let me complete. Let me complete. Sir, your 6 can be my 9.
And now the opposition has slammed the government. Leader of opposition and Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has called the entire summit, the AI summit, a PR spectacle. Others also jumped in with the punchlines ranging from international beizati to fake in India, and AI means Ashwini is incompetent. In fact, Pawan Khera of the Congress party even saw a chance to take a Savarkar dig at the government. He said that if Savarkar can be given the status of a freedom fighter, then why can't a Chinese robot dog be called Indian? Watch this.
एआई समिट में आपको एक चीनी रोबोट को अपना बताना पड़ रहा है। ये मुझे लगता है इससे बुरी परिस्थिति तो आजाद भारत में हमारे हिंदुस्तान की कभी नहीं हुई जितनी आज मोदी जी के राज में हो रही है। मोदी जी का चेहरा चमके, मोदी जी के अपने गाल बजा सके, मोदी जी का गुणगान और महिमा मंडन हो जाए, मोदी जी का बढ़िया फोटो शूट हो जाए, उसके अलावा कोई प्लानिंग नहीं थी।
You know, this is nothing new. After Bharatiya Janata Party came to power, day in and out, they have made us to bow our head in shame, doing all these gimmicks.
Very embarrassing also, not only for the China, what China has claimed, but the way they have conducted this whole show.
Let's now tell you what the government has said on this. Throughout, the government never once tried to cover up the issue. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav admitted the mistake on the very first day, what had happened, but also asserted that action had also been taken against the university. Have a look.
जहाँ पर किसी ने अगर कोई गलत किया है तो तुरंत उस पर एक्शन भी लिया गया है और जो बाकी दूसरे अच्छे सॉल्यूशंस हैं उनको भी देखना चाहिए.
The reason for the chaos is not because the organizers didn't organize the event properly, that the unprecedented number of footfalls, number of people who decided today to go and participate and be stakeholders in this conversation on AI exceeded everybody's expectation.
अगर भारत की वाहवाही हो रही है, विश्व पटल पर अगर भारत अग्रणी भूमिका निभा रहा है, तो राहुल गांधी चाहते हैं कि ये धब्बा लगाएं